So here's how to fix Roblox Error Code 277, which means please check your internet connection and try again. So first what you can do is check if your net connection is functional and is not causing the problem. You can also try to reboot your router or modem. And then you need to come back to the PC and then right click on the Windows logo, and then go to settings and then search for network, go to network and internet, and then click on Ethernet or Wi-Fi or whichever you're using, and then scroll down and click on the IPv4 DNS here. Click on Edit for Windows 11, activate IPv4, and then set it the DNS settings to manual instead of automatic. And in here for the preferred DNS, can use 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Now you can simply click on save. Next, you can close this and then open the browser and go to speedtest.net to check if your net connection is not causing the issue, if it's not being slow. You can simply click on go to start the test. Now, Roblox requires at least 2 megabytes to work properly without lags and causing any issues. So make sure your connection is stable and it's good. Now you can close this and try to test Roblox again if it's above the minimum of 2, so it doesn't cause any problems. Now, if you're still experiencing the issue, what you can do is try to reinstall Roblox by right-clicking on Windows icon, installed apps, and then in here search for Roblox. So you type Roblox in here and then click on the 3 dots next to Roblox player, click uninstall and then uninstall, and then confirm to start uninstalling the Roblox player. Now you can simply close this and reinstall Roblox back again, either from Microsoft Store by searching for Roblox and then click on Get. You can also open the browser and go to roblox.com/download and then click on Download Windows app. Then run it as admin to start installing Roblox again, and that should fix your problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.